Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we'll check the person who is in your mind, the person who is in your heart. What are the thoughts and feelings of this person towards you? Is there any message that this person really wants to give you? So we'll also check that. As always, you will find two piles on your screen. So you can just pause this video, meditate and choose a pile which is calling you intuitively. And I'll see you at your reading. Hello, pile number one. We'll check first with the messages, that what are the messages that your person really wants to give you, and further we'll check the feelings and emotions and current thoughts of this person towards you. So, pile number one, think about your person. Take their name 3 times. Think about them. Okay. Okay, we have lots of messages here. Okay. First of all, we have the Judgment card is there, which is telling me that your partner is saying to you that you are judging me and making your own opinions. It could be a possibility that Deceit card is there. I am getting that pine number 1 ऐसा possible है कि कुछ एक cheating का issue हुआ हो somewhere. आपके पार्टनर को ऐसा लगता है कि it could be a possibility that you have shown something, or it could be a possibility that you have hide something, or this person could hide something related with some secrecy, something related with some dishonesty that I am seeing here. Possessiveness is also there. Your partner is currently the person whom you are thinking about, or the person who is in your mind while seeing this reading. That I'm seeing here that this person is feeling that this person doesn't want to share you. This person is extremely possessive currently towards you. This person feels that somewhere you both have a soul connection towards each other. This person do have this genuine feelings for you, that no matter how much distance you both have, no matter how far you both are from each other, but still this person feels that somewhere you both are connected with each other. Apart from this thing, I am seeing that it could be a possibility that there is no contact situation between you two, and if you people are in touch, so I'm not seeing a very regular conversation. Could be a possibility that this person is ignoring you in terms of conversation, or you are ignoring this person, something related with speech. What I'm getting here is that the situation between you two was like that when you were ready in the past. This person didn't, and when you made your decision that okay, now this is it, and when you accepted the fate, when you accepted your destiny, then this person is coming back to you. And the current behavior of your towards this person is definitely hurting this person. The behavior you are showing, the things that you are showing to this person currently is something that this person is not tolerating. This person is just feeling this heaviness in his heart or in her heart due to your behavior. That what I'm getting here. And apart from this thing, one message is for you is there, that this person really want to start fresh. This person really want to start this relationship again. This person really wants to invest in this relationship in a very fair way, because in the past with this Deceit card, this is the confirmation that it could be a possibility that ऐसे फेज में ये पर्सन रहे हो जहाँ पर इस पर्सन ने आपको भी डेट किया, किसी और को भी डेट किया, and some cheating was definitely there that I'm getting here. Now these are the messages that your person really wants to give you, that yes, your person feels that you both are connected with each other. There is a soul level connection between you two. Apart from this thing, this person feels that you are very judgmental towards this person. This person feels that now you have built an image of this person, and you are just judging this person from that perspective, from that mindset. This is what I'm getting here. Apart from this, speechless, definitely this person really wants to communicate with you, and it could be a possibility that this person do have this fear that when this person will come in front of you, you are going to ask different questions, and this person is not able to give any suitable answer to you, or this person is just running from this this explanation. So he is speechless or she is speechless. I don't know whom you are thinking about. Definitely a possessiveness is there. This person is extremely possessive currently for you. deceit is there, cheating is there, some, you know, dishonesty is there or was there. That is the thoughts of this person. Fresh start, this person really want to start this relationship, this person really wants to give a chance to this relationship. Now I'll check what are the thoughts and feelings of this person towards you. Pile number 1, think about your person. Pile number 1. Okay, see, this person is in a waiting time period. मेरे कार्ड निकालने से पहले ही 7 ऑफ पेंटिकल्स का कार्ड आए एंड इट इज़ कंफर्मेशन दैट फ्रेश स्टार्ट ही पर्सन चाहते हैं एंड दिस पर्सन इज इन सम वेटिंग काइंड ऑफ अ पीरियड. एक वेट के टाइम पीरियड में है, एक वेट कर रहे हैं किसी चीज़ का, किसी एक सिचुएशन के एंड होने का. सो दिस पर्सन इज करेंटली इन अ वेटिंग टाइम पीरियड एज दिस पर्सन रियली वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट दिस रिलेशनशिप अगेन. ये इस रिलेशनशिप को दोबारा शुरू करना चाहते हैं, बट दिस पर्सन रियली वॉन्ट टू कन्फर्म एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम देयर साइड कि जब ये पर्सन आए तो आपकी हाँ होनी चाहिए या आपने पुरानी बातों को भुला दिया हो. तो ये इस पर्सन के करंट थॉट्स हैं. मेरे शफल किए बिना ही जब मैंने आपको बोला जस्ट थिंक अबाउट योर पर्सन एंड द कार्ड केम. सो दिस इज इट. लेट मी चेक मोर. 2 of swords. Okay. 3 of pentacles. We have King of Swords. 3 of Swords is also here. We have Wheel of Fortune. And at the bottom of the deck is Queen of Pentacles. So pile number 1, आपके पर्सन, मैंने आपको बिगनिंग में ही बोला था जब पहला ही कार्ड आपके लिए आया था 7 of Pentacles का, that your person is in a waiting time period because this person really want to give a chance to this relationship again, really want to start this relationship again, but the energy of your is एक्सट्रीमली पावरफुल. जो तुम्हारी एनर्जी अभी पाइल नंबर 1 वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल है एंड करेंटली यू आर इन योर ऑरा, करेंटली यू आर इन योर फुल स्ट्रेंथ एंड फुल पावर. योर पर्सन इज व्यूइंग यू एज समवन हु इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इंडिपेंडेंट, हु इज़ अ सेल्फ रिलायंट person, who is just who is just working on her career or his career. So currently you are focusing on your pentacles, you are currently focusing on your life, your things, you are just moving forward in life, and that is something that this person is fearful. That is why this person is not taking any action, although this person is having this desire and feeling that this person really wants to come forward, but you are extremely powerful, you are in a very guarded energy. It could be a possibility, pile number 1, कि तुम्हारे अंदर एक शिफ्ट इतना ज़बरदस्त हुआ है कि तुमने अब एक बाउंड्रीज़ को बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएट कर दिया है. यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ हाई बाउंड्रीज दैट दिस पर्सन इज़ नॉट एबल टू क्रॉस, और कहीं ना कहीं दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट हर्टिंग दिस पर्सन नाउ बिकॉज this person do have this feeling, this person do have this intention, and I am sensing that due to the deceit card is there, as I already mentioned you see in the messages itself कि डिसीट कार्ड यहाँ पर आया है. इट कुड बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि पास्ट में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें रही हों कि इस पर्सन ने आपको डेट किया, आपके साथ बात की, आपके साथ भी रहे, बट आपसे बहुत सारी चीज़ों को छुपा कर रखा, और जब आपको वो सारी की सारी चीज़ें पता लग गई, नाउ दिस पर्सन इज़ थिंकिंग कि अब जो आपने इनके बारे में इमेज बनाई है, नाउ यू आर जजिंग दिस पर्सन ऑन दैट बिहाफ, एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट विच इज़ हर्टिंग दिस पर्सन very badly. This person is not in a happy phase. This person is in a phase where he or she is just getting their karma, वो उनको मिल रहा है, and this person is in a painful situation as the hurt card is there. Apart from this person is again, ये person ऐसा सोच रहे हैं अभी कि आपने एक इमेज उनके बारे में बता ली है again with the 3 of Pentacles card, and now you are judging this person on that situation only or by that mindset only. तो कहीं ना कहीं this person really want to take a decision, कहीं ना कहीं आपके पार्टनर आपको लेकर कोई decision लेना चाहते हैं. पाइल नंबर 1 डेफिनेटली एक नई शुरुआत चाहते हैं, and again with the confirmation wheel of fortune, but this person is in a waiting time period to change this whole situation. This person is in a waiting time period, or this person is just सरेंडर कर दिया है डिवाइन के आगे कि प्लीज़ कुछ ना कुछ करो, इस सिचुएशन को चेंज करो, सो दैट ये पर्सन आगे आ सके, क्योंकि आगे आना चाहते हैं बट वेटिंग टाइम पीरियड में है. ऐसा नहीं है कि इस पर्सन के मन में आपको लेकर कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं है. येस, दिस पर्सन डू हैव जेन्युइन फीलिंग्स, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो सेंसिंग कि इट कुड बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी द रियलाइजेशन इज देयर, बिकॉज यू आर ग्लोइंग इन योर लाइफ, यू आर जस्ट मूविंग फॉरवर्ड इन योर लाइफ, यू आर जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन योर family, on your work, on yourself. So somewhere इस पर्सन को अब ये ये रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि इन्होंने क्या खोया है लाइफ में. लेट मी चेक मोर. See, I already told you that this person really wants to offer you something. This person really wants to come forward, want to talk, and as you can see the Ace of Pentacle card is there. That means it talks about the stability. अगर ये person अब आपकी तरफ आना चाहते हैं, ये person आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं, आपसे चीज़ें सॉल्व करना चाहते हैं, सॉर्ट आउट करना चाहते हैं चीज़ों को, बट द इंटेंशन इज़ देयर कि कुछ आपको फ्रूटफुल देना है, कुछ आपको ऐसा ऑफर देना है जिसके अंदर कमिटमेंट हो, जिसके अंदर कोई स्टेबिलिटी हो. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको कुछ भी बता दिया, कुछ भी आपको बोल दिया और फिर चले गए. नो, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. तो ये पर्सन आपको कुछ स्टेबल देना चाहते हैं, कुछ आपको कुछ ग्राउंडेड ऑफर करना चाहते हैं, कुछ ऐसा ऑफर करना चाहते हैं विच इज़ लॉन्ग टर्म एंड विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू फैमिली ऑल्सो. कुछ ऐसा कि आपके साथ एक फैमिली बिल्ड की जाए, आपके साथ एक अच्छी लाइफ जी जाए, आपके साथ टू हैव चिल्ड्रन, टू मैरी विद यू, समथिंग लाइक दैट. द इमोशंस आर देयर. और इमोशंस ऐसे नहीं है, दिस इमोशंस आर वेरी डीप, वेरी वेरी डीप. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ दैट पास्ट में कुछ ऐसा इस पर्सन ने किया है, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें इस पर्सन ने की हो सकती हैं, या आपने कुछ एक चीज़ें अगर सीक्रेट इनसे रखी हैं, कुछ चीज़ें हाइड करके इनसे रखी हैं, तो इस पर्सन को उस चीज़ का भी हर्ट है. इसके अलावा इस पर्सन ने आपको भी डेट किया हो सकता है. एज आई एम मेंशनिंग दिस थिंग 3 to 4 टाइम्स, पाइल नंबर 1 आपके लिए. तो वो चीज़ें अब इनको हर्ट कर रही हैं कि उन सारी चीज़ों का आपको पता लग चुका है एंड यू हैव बिल्ड अ इमेज इस पर्सन की. आना चाहते हैं बट आ नहीं रहे हैं. सो दीज आर द करेंट फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस ऑफ दिस पर्सन टूवर्ड्स यू. सो दिस इज इट फॉर टुडे, पाइल नंबर 1. Okay, pile number 2, think about your person and take their name 3 times. Let me see what are the messages that your person really wants to give you. Think about them. Yes, think about them and take their name 3 times. It could be a possibility your partner's name start with P, S, R, M, A, T. Okay, pile number 2. So, okay. Pile number 2. One thing which is very clear in your, these messages is that yes, this person do have genuine feelings for you. This person do have genuine love towards you. And I'm also feeling that it could be a possibility that you both are in a no contact situation. And if you both are in a contact situation, then there is a distance between you two. It could be a possibility you have not seen this person from a very long time and you have this intention. This person also do have this intention to meet you. Okay, that is I'm seeing there. Okay, now if I talk about the messages, so first of all, unconditional love is there. So this person do have this feeling that the love between you two is something which is not selfish. Okay, it is something that you both are connected with each other, and the love between you two is not selfish. The love is love. Okay, this person is having this feeling for you. Okay, heartbeat. This person feeling that okay, you are very important person, and I am seeing the missing energy is almost there. It could be a possibility that when you are watching this video, you get a some message from this person, or it could be a possibility that you have put some status, like some Instagram story or status on your WhatsApp, so you just get a heart, get a like from this person that I'm getting here. It could be a possibility that out of nowhere you or some song, something, you will definitely get some symbols, some signs from your environment while watching this video or after this video that I'm getting, which will definitely remind you of that person that I'm getting here. Okay, so heartbeat is there, so definitely this person is missing you. Okay, next we have attraction is there. So I'm seeing that you both have a attraction towards each other, but what I'm getting here also is that this person is having this attraction towards you, but it could be a possibility that this person doesn't have courage to take any action towards you, and you are also getting a mixed signal from this person. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. control. See, this person is having this emotion and feelings, but again, as I already mentioned you just now, that feelings है, emotions है, attraction is also there, but somewhere ये person आपको mixed signal देते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं अपनी feelings को understand नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या है. एक तरफ लगता है कि यस लव तो है, दूसरी तरफ अट्रैक्शन भी लग रहा है, दूसरी तरफ आपको मिस भी कर रहे हैं, बट आई एम फीलिंग दैट ये जिस भी पर्सन के बारे में तुम देख रहे हो ना, दिस पर्सन इज समवन हु इज़ इन अ वेरी कंट्रोलिंग पोजीशन. और इट कुड बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि ये पर्सन एक डोमिनेटिंग काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन है कि हमेशा चीज़ों पर अपना कंट्रोल चाहते हैं, ज़्यादा इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते. सो कंट्रोल इज़ देयर कि ज़्यादा दिखाना नहीं है. अगेन स्पाइंग. So seeing you from afar, seeing you from a distance, observing you from a distance, that what's happening in your life, that is going on. ये चल रहा है आपकी लाइफ में, अभी ये पर्सन आपको ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. एंड अगेन फॉर्चुनेट, दिस पर्सन समवेयर फील्स दैट ही और शी इज़ वेरी लकी टू हैव यू इन देयर लाइफ. चाहे रिलेशनशिप का स्टेटस नहीं पता हो तुम्हारे साथ क्या है, you are friend or more than a friend, or you are lover, or you are just crushed, this person doesn't have this clarification that I'm seeing. But yes, apart from all these things, love is there, that is for sure. This person feels that you do have a mutual love and connection with each other. Now let me see what are the feelings of this person towards you. Pile number 2. Okay, pile number 2, think about them, think about your person, take their name 3 times. Let me see what are the current feelings and thoughts of this person towards you. Okay, we have Knight of Swords. We have 8 of Pentacles. We have the Death card. We have Queen of Cups. We have 7 of Wands. And the last card we have 10 of Pentacles. Okay, so as you can see, these 2 cards are very opposite, because in Knight of Swords the person is ready to take some action, is thinking a lot. Okay, and on the other hand the Death card is there, which is telling me that something is end. So the thoughts of your person, pile number 2, is that एक तरफ इस पर्सन को ऐसा लगता है कि ओके, दिस रिलेशनशिप हैज एंडेड, कुछ नहीं हो सकता, सब खत्म है, वी आर जस्ट फ्रेंड्स, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऑन द अदर हैंड दिस पर्सन इज having this feeling कि नहीं भाई कुछ तो है, there is a soul level of connection I am feeling from this person. And on the very other hand, this person is having this mindset and having this thoughts like that कि मुझे कोई ना कोई action लेना चाहिए, really want to take action और work on this relationship, कि मुझे इस relationship पर किसी भी तरीके का काम ज़रूर करना चाहिए, because इस person को ऐसा लगता है कि you are very important, आप बहुत important है, you are a stable person in terms of relationship, you are not a fling, or you are not just a crush, or you are not someone जिसको एक बार मिलके भूला जा सकता है. This person is having this major realization and major thoughts, but this person is in a conflict, because as you can see both cards are very opposite from each other. On the one hand there is a death, that means the ending of the relationship, or the relationship has been transformed from the beginning till now. But on the very other hand, this person really want to take any action towards you, really want to come forward and express so many things. But the Knight energy is something which is a back and forth energy. On the one side the person really wants to take any action, but on the other side this person doesn't want to take any action, so there is a conflict. That's why this person is just spying you, that's why this person is just maintaining a distance and just observing you from afar कि क्या चल रहा है आपकी लाइफ में. तो ये इस पर्सन के थॉट्स हैं. बट एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि इतनी सारी चीज़ों के होने के बाद भी लव इज़ देयर. सी हाउ दिस पर्सन व्यू यू एज अ क्वीन ऑफ कप्स. दैट मीन्स ये पर्सन इतनी सारी डिस्टेंस होने के बाद, इतना ज़्यादा स्टक एनर्जी होने के बाद भी इस पर्सन को आपको लेकर ये फीलिंग है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा नर्चरिंग हो, बहुत ज़्यादा लविंग हो, बहुत ज़्यादा केयरिंग हो, बहुत ज़्यादा ऑनेस्ट हो. सो दीज आर द फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस ऑफ दिस पर्सन टूवर्ड्स यू, एंड दिस पर्सन डजंट वांट टू गिव अप दिस रिलेशनशिप. ये इंसान इस रिलेशनशिप पर कभी भी गिव अप नहीं करना चाहते. पाइल नंबर 2, द थिंग इज दैट सिचुएशन ऐसी है, ये टाइम पीरियड ऐसा है कि इस पर्सन के पास लैक ऑफ क्लैरिटी है इन टर्म्स ऑफ दिस रिलेशनशिप. इस पर्सन को ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि व्हाट इज इट, बिकॉज एट द वन हैंड दिस पर्सन फील्स दैट ओके वी डू हैव दिस लव जिसमें किसी भी तरीके की शर्तें नहीं है, बिकॉज द लव इज अनकंडीशनल बिटवीन यू टू। इस पर्सन को ऐसा रियलाइज होता है कि तुम दोनों के बीच जो प्यार है वो अनकंडीशनल है, बट ऑन द वेरी अदर हैंड दिस पर्सन इज हैविंग दिस रियलाइजेशन कि सिर्फ एक अट्रैक्शन है, शायद उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है। सो द प्रॉब्लम विद दिस पर्सन इज दैट इस पर्सन के जो थॉट्स हैं आपको लेकर, वेन एवर दिस पर्सन इज थिंकिंग अबाउट यू और वेन एवर you know this person is just remembering all those moments that he or she has spent with you, this person feels that yes, there is a potential, definitely there is love, definitely there is something apart from this friendship, apart from this knowing each other। इस person को ये realization है with this unconditional love, but on the very other hand एकदम से रुख बदल जाता है और इस person को ऐसा लगता है नहीं, it's just attraction। so कन्फ्लिक्ट है इस पर्सन के थॉट्स में और इमोशंस में आपको लेकर, बट येस ये गिव अप नहीं करेंगे इस रिलेशनशिप पर, पाइल नंबर 2। एंड दिस पर्सन, बिकॉज ये पर्सन कहीं ना कहीं आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लविंग मानते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा केयरिंग नर्चरिंग मानते हैं, एंड समवेयर यू हैव सपोर्टेड दिस पर्सन इमोशनली सो वेल कि ये पर्सन उस चीज़ से अभी उभर नहीं पा रहे हैं, बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे हैं। इस पर्सन को अपनी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा पर्सन नहीं मिला जिसके थ्रू उनको वो इतना इमोशनल सपोर्ट मिला हो जितना इनको आपने किया है। सो your person is in a fix what to do, your person is in a conflict कि क्या किया जाए, क्या एक्शन लिया जाए। so these are the thoughts and feelings of your person, pile number 2। this is it for today, pile number 2। I will see you in next video, take care and goodbye।